Amphenol RF presents the Automate Mini-FAKRA cable assembly, engineered for high-performance connectivity in automotive, industrial, navigation, and drone applications. Designed with a compact, modular housing, Automate Mini-FAKRA cable assemblies provide low-loss, high-frequency performance up to 9 GHz, ensuring reliable data transmission for critical applications. In automotive systems, Automate Mini-FAKRA ensures seamless connectivity for advanced driver assistance systems, GPS navigation, and in-vehicle entertainment, delivering robust signal transmission for modern vehicles. For GPS and positioning systems, Automate Mini-FAKRA provides precision signal transmission, maintaining accuracy in navigation and location-based services. In drones, Automate Mini-FAKRA supports high-speed video and data transfer, ensuring optimal performance for aerial imaging, remote sensing, and communication. Built with ruggedized impact-resistant housing, Automate Mini-FAKRA connectors ensure durability while offering easy installation with universal Z-color coding and mechanical keying. Discover the power of Automate Mini-FAKRA breakout cable assemblies, available in a variety of connector configurations and cable types. Visit Amphenol RF online to explore our full product line. Sometimes off-the-shelf solutions don't always fit. Amphenol RF offers custom-engineered Mini-FAKRA cable assemblies, tailored to meet your specific design requirements. Our experts work directly with you to develop solutions that optimize performance, reduce size, and enhance durability. Looking for a custom Mini-FAKRA cable assembly solution? Let's collaborate. Our engineering team is ready to work with you. Contact us today to discuss your project needs and discover how Amphenol RF can help you achieve seamless connectivity.